This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so this is ICIWorld helping one of our members, Michael Carter. Hello, Michael.
Hi, how are you doing?
Very good. In your particular case on your website, you've done the upgrade to what we call the SSL certificate. You'll notice that there's a little lock here on your, where it says michaelcarter.net on your website. There's a little lock there now, which means that it's really an HTTPS is what's really being typed in there. You'll see how it shows the letter S. When anyone changes their website to have an SSL certificate, some of the links that you normally put here, such as search MLS, will no longer work. And I think you got an email from me letting you know that that was the case. Search TREB MLS listings and it no longer works. And that's because you've changed to the secure link, and the secure link, you had a website way longer before the secure links come in, and so it's no longer working. The same thing is true for the residential exclusive listings, and I'm going to click on that, and you'll see that residential is going to come up here. Residential mostly exclusive. This is not working either. That's from the IDX links from ICIWorld. But there's a way to fix it. I'm going to click on back to edit website, and we're going to edit the page that is called residential from ICIWorld, the exclusive listings from ICIWorld. Whoopsie daisy, I went too far. Hang on. I'm actually controlling Michael's computer from my computer remotely. You're welcome. And I'm going to click on edit the IDX listing display. And you'll see that the link to ICIWorld does not have the letter S. Well, we've had a secure link for many, many, many years, but now that you've changed over your website, we're changing it over here so that it also can be secure. And let's see, by adding that one letter S, if this is going to work. Here we go. We're going to try to save it. Cross your fingers, cross your toes. Let's see if it's going to work. Here we go. And let's see if it works. And bingo, there it is. It's working.
You believe in voodoo? I didn't know you're from Africa.
I'm going to click on search database. There we go. So now we have all these links working on your website again. So if you were wondering why you're not getting calls on a website, could it be that the links were not working? And that was the case here. Now, the nice thing about these links from ICIWorld is that if somebody tries to click on one of these numbers, they cannot do it by design. That means that if someone visits Michael's website and they're interested in any one of these listings, they have to call Michael for more information. Now, Michael's got more links than just the residential. He's also got commercial links here from ICIWorld as well. One of them is Ontario Commercial. Let's see if this one is not working, which I don't think it is. It's coming up black. It's just a black screen. Again, I'm going to let you do it this time, Michael. Can you please click on Edit IDX Listing Display, please? Good job. Put the letter S after the P, HTT, make it HTTPS. Go down to the bottom of the page. And click on OK.
Okay, Carl.
All right, go down the page just a little bit and let's see if it's working. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so if I'm interested in an apartment building, click under the haves by category for apartment buildings, please.
What house? Apartment building.
Yeah, and apartment buildings. So this is now up to you, Michael, to teach people to go to your website and to click on apartment buildings. Click on it. And bingo, go up a little bit higher. and you'll see that there's a number 1 of 100 of 294. So you have 294 apartment buildings here from $90 million on down. Isn't that fantastic?
65.
So whenever somebody wants to buy real estate, you got to try to get them to go to your website and to look at all of this stuff. And if they call you on one of those for $4 million, maybe you can make an appointment, go show it today, and make $80,000.
Yeah, 2,200,000.
There you go. Okay, let's go back up to the top of the page. And click on commercial again and choose World Commercial. That's another link from ICIWorld that we're fixing. And go down the page. Yep.
Gingerly.
And click on Edit IDX Listing Display. You went by it. Edit IDX Listing Display. It's right there. Good show. You're doing good. This is tricky stuff.
That's simple. That's simple. That's making all that problem.
It's making all the difference in the world, you bet. That makes it a difference from having a non-secure website to a secure website. Now, the interesting thing is real estate people really don't need a secure website because you don't take money.
I know.
However, when people come to your website and it is not secure, that gives a little feeling of uneasiness when you have the word not secure. And Google did that to the whole world. Yeah. And they made everybody's website insecure after you've had the website for 10 years with not a problem. And they're forcing everybody to go secure. Okay, go down the page and check it, Michael, and see if it's showing up. There it is. There's the World Commercial listing showing up, okay? People can search the database, check it, make sure it works. Click OK.
Yep.
And there's all the new listings that are coming in every day. And people can search and sort by many different ways. Okay, go up to the top. And let's, pardon me?
It says among one out of 1,000, 100.
That's right, and these are all less than 90 days old. They're all fresh listings on your website. Yeah. So you got to start promoting your website, and I'll teach you how to do that in a moment, or where you can learn how to do it. Click on commercial again, and you got to go to business opportunities. And go down the page.
Good.
Click on Edit IDX Listing Display.
Put the S.
And put the S in.
You're
doing really good, man. You're doing some very good. You're doing some programming right now. You know that, eh?
I can join. Work for the bank as the IT guy.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, go down the page. See if the businesses are listed. So if somebody's looking for a hotel, a motel, a gas station, a restaurant, you're going to have it all on your website. Okay, good show. Go up to the next link. Go to commercial. Go to the next link.
Resource?
Commercial.
Yeah, go commercial.
And go down to FSBOs.
And I wonder why I thought I was doing something wrong all the time.
Yeah, I know. But I'm so glad you called. I think we sent you an email on that to remind you.
Yeah, that's something I remember. I will renew it, but I know my renewal is in December. And I said, why you guys want to take my money away from me early?
Oh.
I have to try to make it now.
Okay, click on HT. Well, part of the reason you notice is you've had, fix the link.
Oh, yeah.
Part of the reason is your website was, this is one of the reasons why you could have been missing making money, Michael. Because people can't see the listings. I mean, if people can't see the listings, it's like having a lure in the water going fishing with no bait on it.
Yeah.
You got to have something that interests people to put food on the table. Okay, click on the OK. So that's one of the things. Take your hand off the mouse now, please.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Everything's working here good, but there's one more link that you should have called My Haves and Wants. There it is. Let's see if this is even working.
My haves and wants.
These are your haves and wants. These are your listings and they're not coming up. It's black. Go ahead and put the S in here a moment.
Shit order.
There you go. Put the S in. Type the S in there, Michael. You should. No.
Okay.
That's better. Now you come down. You're doing good. Go to the bottom of the page and click on OK. All right, good job. Now, I have a special way. If you stop jumping to those are 3 listings, but stop here, don't move. Number 1, you had listings that were over 90 days old, so now you're starting to refresh them. That's wonderful. I'm so glad you called today. And the second thing is, you should never let your listings go longer than 90 days old, or they do not show up on the mobile apps worldwide. Secondly, you should have a minimum of 15 opportunities on ICIWorld within 90 days of today. Every single broker should have that. And if you don't have it, it's because you need to learn how to work exclusive information. To learn how to work exclusive information, I'm going to click on your computer and I'm going to click on ICIWorld on your favorites bar up here. And now you see how it says here, not secure? I'm going to even change this link because you were one of our earlier members. By the way, we've been sending out notices to all members about this for a long time. But we're going to have everyone fix the link for ICIWorld to https://www. There we go. Click on save. Because right here, this is what everybody sees for your website, and that's not good. You want to have the secure version, which I just made it secure. If you notice, it comes up and there's a little lock there now.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that lock means it's secure now, right?
That lock means it's secure is correct.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
All right, now we got something else to do. I'm going to show you, first of all, how to get up to 15 opportunities to do business. Do you see up here it says seminar? Can you click on that? On seminar. And go down the page about 1 inch only. Okay, stop. And you'll see that there's 4 recorded webinars here. Don't touch the mouse, please. Thank you. And you'll see for all real estate. And this is how to work exclusive information here. And this one also will teach you how to work exclusive information. This one down here is how to promote your website. You'll actually get $100 towards advertising just by listening to it. It'll teach you how to get the $100 if you listen to it. So not only can you listen to it, and it's free, how to promote your website. You don't have to pay us $40 to listen to it. You can listen to it free, and you even make $100.
Wow.
Okay, now listen to this other one, the 3 basic questions, how to work exclusive information. But I'm going to show you one more thing you should listen to. I'm going to go down here just a little bit, and you're going to see that we have a YouTube channel, ICIWorld.tv. You can click on that and go listen to the Oakville and Milton and District Real Estate Board webinar. Listen to that one, okay?
Okay.
And that'll teach you how to work exclusive information. That's very, very important. Now, I want to go back to your website, and I'm going to go and work on fixing the Toronto Real Estate Board link that's not working on your website. 1 second. Your website. Okay, now for some reason, 1 second. I think it's michaelcarter.net if I'm not mistaken.
Carter, Michael E. After the L, E.
Oh, okay, go ahead. Put the E in there. You do it. And get rid of the other stuff.
Is it going? Why is it moving? I love it.
Type in your website domain name, please, in the address field.
All right. You do it. For this Michael Carter. I need the same thing.
So what I would do, Michael, in your case, I would even register that other domain name for the people that spell it wrong.
What, you mean my name?
Your
No, I had to
name.
put the Michael E. Carter.
Okay.
That's what I had to do to get it and I made it, man, I made it up anyway. Wasn't a
Go
problem.
ahead, press enter, press enter. Press enter on your keyboard. There we go. All right, so what I'm going to do, we're going to take your hand off the mouse.
Yep.
I'm going to click on residential and click on search MLS. And I think that's long enough recording for everyone. I'm going to help you fix this residential one now. ICIWorld is an official installer of the TREB IDX link, and we know how to fix these things. But for the recording to teach everyone how to fix the SSL links on your website, that was a little session on that. If you need help doing it, it's as little as $20 for us to help you kind of fix all that good stuff. Okay, I'm going to hang up now. Thank you, Michael, and we're going to sign off. I appreciate your help.
Thank you.
Okay.
Appreciate yours.